Hi, today is 1/20 of 24, and this is Saintjerome of Crypto Experiences bringing you another crypto experience. I'm at a weird angle now because I'm doing an unboxing. I just got a box from Hero Bullion, and I'm excited to open it. Let's see what's in it now. So I cut the top with tape, or with a knife, because it was really hard to open. So I have piece something or rather in here. Boy, I may have to pause this and cut that. It looks like there's tape on the side. Folks, those are not piece silver dollars. Those are copper, so they're not worth too much. I like the design. I'm going to take them to a coin show a little later. Okay, and I have some Minuteman copper bullion. We'll take a look at that in a minute. That copper bullion, they're a couple bucks each or so. I'm going to sell them for about the same price. Now, this is the exciting part, and this is what I was waiting for the unboxing. I have a wallet. And what is that wallet? It's going to hold something really special. I'll put the wallet to the side. And here we have a package of mystery. I'm going to pause a second. Okay, I took a little time and cheated, and I got the 2 copper bullion tubes open. A little spacer there to make sure nothing spills, and I'll spill them out. And nice and shiny. What do we have here? Well, this is copper bullion. Look how shiny that is. Good night. That is a copy of the peace dollar that was silver and 90% silver. So this is in 1910. Wow, that is like a mirror-like finish. I am surprised how shiny it is. Turn the back side, and there is the other side. So I'll be taking those at coin show. I think it's a nice historic way to look at the peace dollar. And yeah, I think people will be interested in that, and they're very inexpensive. So I'll probably try to sell them about $3.50 each or so. I paid, that's not much of markup for me at all. So, all right, and now I go to the other tube, and these are some Minutemen. I'm going to have to pause. Couldn't quite get it open. Now I did. Okay, here is another roll of copper, and these are also very shiny and beautiful. This is the Second Amendment. And what's it else it say? Shall not be infringed. Okay, with a Minuteman on front. And on the back side, it has the Second Amendment. A well-regulated militia being necessary in the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. So those will go well at the coin show and also at the gun store. Now, I'm going to clean these up with pause and then look in the mysterious envelope. I'm pretty excited about this unveiling. First, let's look at the special wallet over here. I'll take off the wrapper, so I didn't have to do any cheating on that. It says GB. Huh. Wonder what that can be. Open it up. It's a pretty big wallet, and it has spaces here for a long note, a medium-sized note, and a small note. It looks like you have a spot for an ID. I'm not sure what this card is over here. Seems to be just a spacer. So you can put some different kind of cards in there, maybe a crypto debit card, since I am Crypto Experiences. Maybe something else. All right, now, what we've been waiting for. I don't know if I can hold the camera and open. I'm going to have to pause. All right, that glue is pretty strong, but I cheated a bit and ripped down the top. And what do we have here? Something very shiny. And did I get them all? I got like the receipt. They are Goldbacks. Wow, look at those. They come in different denominations. And folks, these are pure 24 karat gold embedded in these polymers here. So let's look at the various ones we have. Looks like they separated them into various states for me. All right, see what this is. Hard to read, it's so shiny. Hold on. All right, this is New Hampshire. And this is Utah. And this is Nevada. And this is some more Utah I have. All right, these Goldbacks come in 1, 5, 10, 25, and 50. These are not US dollars by any means. So one Goldback today is worth right around $4 or so, and that has fluctuated from anywhere from 2 to a little bit past 4. And what makes these so special? Let me pause. All right, this is the first time I've held one in my hand. This is 1/1000th of a troy ounce of 24 karat gold. So it's, like I said, it's worth about $4. So they pick out a historic figure from that state, and then they use on artwork. The artwork is just beautiful. There's a serial number for each one on here. These are just almost totally impossible to counterfeit. And then on the back side, it's blank, but that pattern is reversed, and that's like impossible to copy. So these have not been counterfeit, nor does it look like they're going to be counterfeit. Now, what is going on here? How can that be gold? And 1/1000th of a gold isn't a lot of gold, folks, but it is gold. And what happens is they have a special process that costs millions of dollars. They have a polymer, and then they atomize gold into 1 atom size, and they measure it out with their special machines and spray it, so to speak, and stick it on the polymer, and then they come by and put another layer of polymer on it. So, and then this thing is very, very sturdy. Now, you can't really rip them. You can cut them. I've heard a lot of silly people online saying, oh, that premium, that's 100%. I wouldn't pay over spot. Folks, you know how hard it is to get fractional gold you can use? If you had a fractional gold 1/1000th of an ounce of a bullion thing, it'd be like a sliver that would be going underneath your fingernail. It'd just be ridiculous. So this is a way to make gold fractional, and the idea is to circulate it. I was into Liberty dollars, and I just did a podcast on that. And Liberty dollars, by simply spending them, eventually by spending them, the ones you hold were more valuable than you ever paid for them in the first place. And the same thing is happening with Goldbacks now. So here's a 1. Let me pause and find a bigger denomination. And here is a 5. This one is from Wyoming. I like that because of the horse that was on it here. So I just find that to be very, very beautiful. And I'm feeling the difference in weight and size. You can see it's bigger and it's 5 times heavier. So 5 of those 1s equals the gold that's in a 5. 5 of those 5s equal the gold that's in a 25. 2 of the 25s equal the gold that's in a 50. Now, these are not dollars. They're their own little denominations. But what's so cool about this is you know that you're getting the same gold by using the numbers. So 2 5s equals a 10. 2 10s and a 5 equal 25. And the gold is equal. They have the most amazing machines. Now, some people said, microwave it, prove to me there's gold in there. Okay, the way you prove that there's gold in here is you have to have a special kiln that goes up to thousands of degrees, and special collectors, and the polymers melt away at several thousand degrees, and then the gold gets left in a BB. And every time everybody's tested this, I know Mike Adams tested this, the health ranger, and he found that they're exactly what they say. Now, some people come out here and they're saying, this is a scam. This is a scam. I wouldn't pay that premium. They don't understand the usage of these. So anyway, I'm going to do some more videos on these. I am excited to get these today. I've been waiting to get these, and those are so cool. I'm going to be spending them, and I'm going to spend them at the price that they were meant to be spent at. There's a calculator on goldback.com, and you can tell exactly what the deal is that day. So thank you for watching and sharing my excitement. Those bills will go right in there. Thank you very much, and have a good day.